Good morning, everyone. Today I'll be showing you how you'll be able to post business on Zaafinder. Let's begin with going to zaafinder.com. Open your browser. Either you use Chrome or use Firefox or use Safari if you are using Mac on Safari. We go through zaafinder.com. Sorry, my network might be slow. This is Zaafinder's homepage. This is it right here, Zaafinder's homepage. You can see add business. You can see add business by the top right hand side. If you've not logged in or you've not created an account, you also see sign in or register at the side of this add business. When you sign in or when you finish creating your account and you want to list your business, you click on add a business. This is where you choose the category, the type of business you want to add. Here I want to add a hotel. I want to add a hotel in Abuja. I click on hotel. Now I'm here. I will need to put the names of hotel and all the details. So I've searched for the hotel I want to add. These are the list of hotels. Then Kano is Kano that I want to add. These are the list of hotels. I've added a couple of before. So this is a Quarter House Hotel. I copy the name. Copy. I highlight and copy. Then I put it on the title. On title I put it on the description. I would also want the name to appear. That will also help us on Google search. I pick the description. I set it. I pick the phone number and the address. I highlight all of them, pick it up, copy, and paste. Then I have to pick up the name again. I need to get their image, the image of the hotel. Then I'll search for it on Google. I copy the image and for me to be able to search for it. As you can see, this is it, but I prefer this one. You can see it right here, or this one here. In order for you to know, you can check the name, Quarter Hotel, right? You know, Quarter Hotel can be on different states, can be in Kano, Kaduna, Abuja, Lagos. But here, the one I want to add is the one in Kano. I right click and save. After saving, I come back to my Zaafinder and copy phone numbers. The logo, I will use the building I just saved as their logo because that's the hotel itself. I add the cover page with the same thing. If you have the logo, you put the logo where the logo is. Gallery image, I also use the building. If you have more images, you add it on the gallery image. You can add more than one. This is the contact information here. You can see email, phone number, website. The phone number is compulsory. You must put a phone number. If you don't have the email or you don't have their website or they don't have, you can leave it empty. Right? I come back here and I'll pick up the address again because I'll be adding it on the location. So I scroll down. This is the work hour. They are open all day. Hotel is always open all day. If not, you enter the hour or you enter the closing hour. This is location, which is the address. I enter the address. This particular hotel is in Nasarawa, GRA, Kano. So here I will look for Nasarawa. You can see Nasarawa or Nasarawa local government. I pick it. I also want to add more Kano, which is the state itself. I pick the state. This is the sub-region inside the state. I pick the two. Now I select the category. The category is hotel, which is the type of business, which is hotel. I pick hotel. I scroll down. I will leave every other thing empty. You can see it. The price range and all that, I will leave it empty because I don't have their price range. So I will just select I'm not a robot. You can preview what you have added before submitting, but here I will skip the preview and submit direct because I've added everything. If you've not added everything, the system will not let you to submit it. So you can see listing submitted successfully. Your listing will be approved once, your listing will be visible once approved. Once admin approves it, once zaafinder.com approves it, of course your listing will be visible on Zaafinder's homepage. Now we're done adding and you want to add another business again, you click on add a business. I'll come back to where I'm getting my business. I want to add Royal Tropicana Hotel Limited. I copy the name, come back and click on hotel. Type of business is hotel. That's what I'm adding. Then I paste. That's the name I'm pasting. Remember, I will need to get their image, so I come to Google, I paste their name to search for their building logo and everything. You can see it here. You can see there is the name is there, Royal Tropical Hotel. You can see it on top. I right click and save their image. I go back to my Zaafinder. Sorry, I come back to pick up the description. I put the description. I go back again. I need to get their phone number and address. I highlight and copy it. I like adding this address and phone number on the description because it makes it easier for visitors or for who is looking for anything to be able to see all the details without going through all stress. So I will need to add the logo, which is I will use the building. The building also have the name of the hotel on it. Then the cover image, I also use the building. Then gallery image, I also use the same building. Then you scroll down on the contact information, I put in their phone numbers. I don't have their email and I don't have their website. So I'll just pick up the address again and scroll down. I put open all day because they don't have hours. They're always there. If they have hours, you put the hours. If they have closing there, you put it. So this location, which is the address, I put it here. Is in Kano. I don't have the sub-region. I don't know the sub-region, so I will just choose the region as just Kano because that's the state where it's located. Kano. I scroll down and pick the category, which is hotel. That's all. I scroll down. You select that you're not a robot. Good. I skip and preview. Don't forget you can preview before submitting, but I will skip it and just submit. Here is submitted. That's just how to add a business. So now when you go back to Zaafinder homepage, when you come back to Zaafinder homepage, once your listing, your business is approved by Zaafinder, it will appear on the homepage, right? You can see it here. Now if it's not here, you can see all the category here depending the one you added. What I added was hotel, so if you click on hotel, that's if you want to check if it has been approved. So I should be able to see that it has been approved there. If it's approved there, it will you see what you have posted there, your business right here, right? Now if I come to my dashboard or my listing, I should be able to, this is from my account, you can see my name here, Calvin. So if I place my mouse, it comes down. If I come to my listing, I should be able to see if it's approved or not. Also, though, they will send me a mail. Zaafinder will send me a mail if it has been approved or not. You can see that I have 4 pending approval, right? 4 pending approval, and I have 198 published. Pending payment 0, expired 0. You can see the one I just added here. You can edit it or delete it. if you understand. It was created today. You can see the name it was created. You can see the one I just added last, the Royal Tropical Hotel that we just added, is yet to be approved. If it's approved, see the ones that has been approved. All this one has been approved. You can see you have promote, edit, statistics. You can see it, but all this one that is yet to be approved does not have it until when it's approved, before it will now have all these details, all this if you want to promote it, if you want to edit it and all that. So if it's still under pending, then the only thing you can do is you can delete it or edit it. So that is just it. I will go back to Zaafinder. Now if you want to search for a business on Google, right, this is Google, this is Google. Now let's say I want to search for maybe let's say the real estate, let's say list of real estate company in Abuja, right? Okay, you can see here it lists all these estates are in Abuja, and you will know that through the address. Now if you don't know what to do, you can come here. You can see list of all real estate companies in Abuja. I click on it. I like going through this site because they have details of what I'm looking for. You can see here, you can see estates, real estate companies, which is real estate businesses that are in Abuja. You can see how they listed it. You can see there are many, so you keep adding and keep adding and keep adding the business on Zaafinder. So you just go through the normal process. So if you want to find their image, let's say you want to find the image of this deep spring facility. Since you don't know, you can't go Abuja to go and snap their picture. So I'll just copy their name and Google them, right? I'll Google them on Google. Then if I enter here, you can see deep spring facility properties. This is them. Now I'm looking for their image. I'll just pick up image on Google here. This, you can see Deep Spring College Spring. You can see this, their lands and everything, right? You get their image. You can see here, this is their letterhead. You can see Deep Spring. You can use it if you want to use it, but here I'm not adding it. I just want to show you how you'll be able to search for businesses online and get their image and add on Zaafinder. So that's just it for now. Thank you all. So just go ahead and keep adding your business, keep adding listing, keep listing businesses on Zaafinder. Thank you.